Hi besties, today's recipe is delicious kelewele, a Ghanaian street snack. Okay, so let's not waste time, let's dive into the video already. So we are going to need cayenne pepper, star anise. Okay, so make sure that the spices, you take it bit by bit. Okay, not too much. All right, so this is Negro pepper. I hope I'm right. And then we are going to need some cloves, it's a must. Okay, and then some black pepper and some ginger. Okay, ginger is also the main ingredient in this recipe, and some onions. Okay, this is half onion, you can use full, and some salt to taste. So you will grind it in your earthenware, my dear. If you can't grind, you can blend. Okay, this one there, you can feel free to blend. Okay, but I mean, this is a traditional delicacy, so you can just grind it. And those are very ripe plantain. Okay, guys, when your plantains are like this, please don't discard them. Don't throw them away. There are thousands of recipes you can use those plantains to prepare. Okay, one is what we are coming to prepare today, a delicious kelewele. So all you will need to do is to peel off your plantain. All right, so this is a step by step. That is why I have slowed down for my beginners. Okay, if it's your first time making kelewele, this is how you're going to do it. Okay, so after peeling, you just divide your plantains into two and then slice them depending on the sizes you want. Okay, so this is the second tutorial. All right, the same procedure as I did. So after, you just mix it with a spatula. Okay, just mix it up very well till you see that the plantains is really coated with the spices. Okay, or the spices is really coated on the plantain. So whilst you are mixing, your oil is on the stove that is hot. So after mixing, you just transfer everything to your oil. Make sure your oil is enough. Okay, so, and be checking it from time to time. Other than that, it can burn, and when it burns, it's not nice. When it's not nice. Yes, it's not nice. So guys, I mean, this is the most easiest recipe to prepare. Yes, the most easiest recipe to prepare. And we are going to use a paper towel. Okay, so make sure you get one to absorb your oil. Okay, so this recipe can be eaten with peanuts or groundnuts. It can be eaten with jollof rice, fried rice, and it can be eaten raw like that with a juice. Guys, this recipe is so delicious and easy to prepare. If you want to watch a movie with your partner or with your family and you don't have popcorn, just don't worry. Just get yourself kelewele, and trust me, you guys are going to enjoy your movie. Just look at that. Look at that. Look, guys. Just try it and let me know in the comment section. I know you're definitely going to try it because it's easy and it smells so nice. It makes your kitchen smell so nice, and try it for your partner. Okay, it brings you guys together. There's a special bond between kelewele and your partner. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're going to try. My name is Dr. Rosie. See you in my next video. Bye.